Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm vlogging after a very long time, almost 1 year. This was supposed to be a very different kind of a vlog. I was supposed to show you guys how a day in my farm looks like, how I spend my day, what I usually do to pass the time, or just to chill. But it rained today very unexpectedly, and I'm guessing this is the first rain of monsoon of 2021. It rained a lot. It rained for almost 2 hours. I could not do anything that I had planned. This was another experience how farm feels and how it looks when it rains like crazy. I'll just share some of the clips that I shot. Soon after that, it started raining. We were outside plucking the mangoes right now, and suddenly it started raining. I'm literally trapped inside the car now. Hey you guys, it started raining all of a sudden. We were in the middle of plucking the mangoes and it just started raining like out of nowhere. And it's not even monsoon yet. I mean, it's only like what? The starting of June, so I guess this was the first monsoon rain of 2021. We thought it's gonna end in like 5-10 minutes, but it's been going on since 30 minutes now, and I'm just trapped inside the car because I was outside and then it started raining, so I had to rush in. And it's so hot, and can you hear that? Can you hear the thunder? All dark outside, so I'm gonna show you guys how it is. Seems like the rain is reducing a bit. I'll have to go outside to check. मैं पहले भी गई अभी थोड़ी देर पहले and मैं पूरी like भीग गई. It's only like what 2 p.m. Can you imagine? It's so dark. Feels like it's like 5:30 or something already. And can you hear the thunder? Oh my god. So yeah, this is how the farm looks in the rain. This land has been plowed to plant vegetables such as okra, radish, green chilies, and much more. Since the rain has stopped for a bit, we just resumed plucking the mangoes again. They're not going to climb the trees because it's still quite dangerous, but yeah, so this is how they're plucking the mangoes now. Guys, please pray that I don't get struck by lightning or something. Just when I thought that the rain had stopped, it started pouring down even harder, so I had to rush back inside. The rain made everything so muddy and so wet. I mean, that's what rain does, right? What else was I expecting? This looks like a jungle, I know. And I would say it is actually. It's both a farm and a jungle. And that's a weird combination, I know. And you can see the banana trees here. Plucking the mangoes on the other side of the farm now. Actually, the main intention of coming here today was to pluck the mangoes, but since it started raining, we faced a lot of interruptions. Since it has stopped a bit now, we are back to plucking the mangoes because it's June and mangoes itne din to rehne nahi wale, so why should we waste the mangoes, you know? Literally the best fruit on earth. That's my mom over there. I just hope that you guys enjoyed this short video of the first monsoon rain, or you know, a rainy day in my farm. As I said before, this was very unexpected. I will catch you guys later in my next vlog. Bye guys, I will see you soon.